How to install Windows 10 or 11. First of all, you need installation media. If you don't have this, you need to download it. So go to Google and type in Windows 10 creation tool. Okay, then it comes up here, Windows 10 media creation. If you want Windows 11, you put Windows 11 media creation. Just click on it and it'll say here, download Windows 10 disk image. So click on that, scroll down and download tool now. Alright, when it's finished downloading, open file, click yes. Now this bit will take quite a bit of time. So what we'll do, we'll pause it for now and we'll come back when it's ready to go. Right, we've got this screen where it has two options. One is upgrade this PC now, and the second one is create installation media. And that's the option we need to take. So click next again, and the first option is USB flash drive. Now for this, obviously you need a USB flash drive. It needs to have a capacity of at least 8 GB. So once we've got that and we've plugged it in, we click next. Right, and it will give a list of USB drives that are connected to this PC. So you click on the one you want to use and click next again, and we go to this. Now again, this will take some time, so we'll pause this and then come back to it when it's finished. Right, your drive's ready now. So what we need to do is take this flash pen over to your PC where you want to install Windows. Right, now insert the flash drive into your PC, and what you need to do is get into your boot sequence menu. Now you do this by tapping one of the your F keys. Now it depends on your PC which one it is. For instance, mine's F8, but some are F9, some are F10, some are F11, sort of thing. Once you're in, you need to go down to your USB drive and hit return, and it will start loading the installation program up. Again, this takes a while, so we'll pause and come back. Right, you can see here there's three options on screen. One is language, other one's time and currency, and other one's keyboard input method. For me, I've got them all on UK, United Kingdom. So we click next, then click install now. Then click I don't have a product key. Now it'll list different versions of Windows. For this demonstration, we'll have Windows 10 Pro. Click next, and then click accept. Then in this option, click on custom. Right, and it'll take you to the drive partition screen. Now I've already got a Windows on here, so if that's the case, when you select your Windows partition, click next, it will come up with a dialog saying that it'll copy your old files to a folder called Windows.000. But I'm gonna start from fresh, so I'll delete these partitions off. Now that's from the USB pen, so don't delete that one off. go to where it says unallocated space, click on it to highlight it, then click next. Yep, I want to do that. Okay, again, takes a while, so let's pause again. Right, okay, so this is asking me what region, so I've got United Kingdom. Click next. This asks me keyboard, United Kingdom again. Click next. It asks me if I want a second keyboard layout. I don't, so I'll click skip. And this is where I connect to my Wi-Fi. And then we're connected, so we just click next. We have some important setting up to do, apparently. So again, we'll just sit and wait. Of course, faster your PC is, quicker this takes, so of course. Please do not turn off your device as if you're likely to. Right, we want to use personal use, so we click on here and click next. Right, we're at our account signing. Now, if you don't have an account, click on create account and follow the on-screen prompts. But I'm going to sign in with my account. Oops. Bit of a typo there. Yeah, we got through it. Right, now you have to create a pin. This is mandatory. They won't let you not create a pin. You used to be able to install without creating a pin, but as of like sort of a few updates ago, they've changed it so you had to have a pin. It's funny how they always say just a moment, not just a minute. Right, okay, well, we don't want to import from a browser, so not now. Click next. Right. Again, it's up to you how you fill these in as. But I'll click yes for that one and then accept. Right. I'm not using a laptop, so I turn my Finder device off. Right. You don't have to send them full diagnostics, just what's required. So I click on that one. Yeah, what that's for. It's when you type in it gives you suggestions, and it also learns what you search for and stuff. Accept. Right, tailored. Yep, we can. Okay. Right, this targeted ads. I always say no. Right, this says it'll set your windows up in relation to what you click on. Now you can skip this, but after it's done a few updates, it'll come back and bug you again. So you might as well do it now. Right, I don't want to link it to my phone. Right, okay. Like it don't give you an option anymore. Okay, it used to have a no option. I'm going to decline this because there's ways to get Office for free which are totally legal. Again, I don't want any extra storage. Right, I don't want Xbox or Game Pass. I've already got it anyway. Right, yep, I want to use Cortana. Hi. And that's it. It's installed. Right, just one more thing. Let's make this a bit more visible. There we go. Okay, so just one more thing. If you've created just get rid of this for now. Okay, accept. Right, okay, so we can leave that for now. Just one more thing, if you've created an account, you'll need to buy a key if you don't already have one. So you can buy keys from places like Hughes Keys and what have you. I'll leave some links in the description. But what you do, you go to settings, right, and you type in activation. Right, okay, activation settings. There you go, and then you just click on change product key and you type in or paste in your key, and that's it. Well, that's it. We're done. You've got Windows installed. Right, okay, so we can click out of here now. Okay, next. Don't send optional data. Right, and that's it now. Your browser's set up, and you know you're good to go. So you can just leave it to do its updates or start installing any software you need to use. That's it. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another one.